Today's video is about multi-way switching. I've set up a 5-way switching arrangement which I'll show you, but 3-way, 5-way or 30-way switching, the technique is all the same. A lot of electricians would tell their clients that this type of thing couldn't be done, but I'll show you it can be done. You've just got to think a little bit outside the square and work things through. I'll zoom in a moment and we'll get things started. I'm Gary Gray. Welcome to Wiring Training. I've drawn up a scenario here of a very basic house plan. Now I've got lights set up here that are simulating outside lighting on this residence. I'm using toggle switches, but you could just as easy use standard domestic light switches to do the same process. Now in this particular scenario, I've got it so there's multiple doors, 5 doors outside the residence, and we want to be able to turn the outside lights on from whichever door we happen to exit. So assuming we're coming here to the back door and we want to flick the light switch, so we can turn all the outside lights on all around the house. This is the front of the house in my example, and we've got the sides and the rear of the house here. So we've gone out the rear of the house. Now just supposing we decided to come back in via the laundry door, we want to be able to turn the lights off. But then if we happen to go out another door, we want to be able to turn them on. So in this example, no matter which door we happen to exit or enter, we can turn the lights either on or off from every location. Now to add a bit of a twist in this case, let's say the homeowner wants to be able to leave the front lights on in the house for guests or some other reason. They've ordered a pizza, they want to leave the lights on. So we can leave the front lights on, but if somebody happens to want to go out, well, let's say they want to hang some washing out, so they go out the laundry door, they want to be able to turn all the outside lights on regardless of what's happening at the front of the house. So they can do that, they can still turn the lights on and off, except the front lights, no matter what door we come in and out, will turn the lights off. If you'd like more videos like this, or even more in-depth videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I go much more in depth in other videos, and also I have a training course that I'll leave a link down below for any of you that are serious to upgrade or improve your skills. Any comments or questions you may have, please leave in the comments section below. Thank you.